Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add animated captions to YouTube Shorts automatically for free, easy tutorial. So for us to be able to add those animated captions to your YouTube Shorts or any videos, then we need to go ahead and use a software for that, which is called CapCut. So this is actually free to download onto your local browser. Just search CapCut in there, and there you should be able to see an option to download this onto your device. Now, once you have installed this, you'll just need to go ahead and create a project to go ahead and proceed. Now, this is the editing page of CapCut looks like. So this is where we're going to go ahead and add in our video to add in its caption. So you have your sample video. You'll just need to drag and drop it here under import or directly here onto its timeline. So you'll just need to click to the blue mark to add this onto the timeline, and you'll just need to click onto the video right after to add its caption. Right after you have clicked onto that, there should be a text option here onto the upper part. Simply click onto that, and there should be an option for you to go ahead and add in auto captions. So simply click auto captions for that, and there you could also choose the spoken language, so you could detect the language for that. But since we're using English for this, we're gonna click onto English, and then you could go ahead and click onto generate to proceed. So as you can see, it has been creating already the auto captions. We'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. You should be able to see that it is finished once you see the text already here onto the upper part of the screen. So as you can see, you could hover onto each one of this to go ahead and try to see if all the captions are correct. Or here onto the right side panel of this, you should be able to see captions in here to view all of the text that you have onto that specific video. So you could go ahead and edit them or delete them. Right after here under text also, you could go ahead and try to change the different styles for that. So we also have animations in here to add in animations. There is also an option for you to do a text to speech, and what I like to do in here. So instead of adding just basic text in here, we could use some templates so that the text would look different, or so that it would have a design. So some of the text that we have in here are actually under pro version, but there are some in here that are free. So we're going to choose one in here, like for example, this. And right after that, your text should go ahead and look something like this. And that is just basically it, how you add captions to YouTube Shorts automatically for free. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.